What's up everybody, my name is Ibra and welcome to my channel. Anil called me a week ago saying that someone front-ended him and he had the damage on his car. Tomorrow is the day for the inspection from the insurance company. They will prepare a list of broken parts and he was advised to prepare the car, remove the broken parts, so there will be a clear list of the parts and eventually he will be paid. Now we are in his garage, we will disassemble everything and tomorrow is the day for taking pictures from the insurance company. So let's start with it. Since we have more light here, he decided to relocate the car. This is the front end damage. We will not disassemble the front hood, we will just disassemble the bumper, eventually the tail lights. I've already checked some YouTube videos. Yeah, so far this side is fine. So we are starting. So the first part is removing the bolts from here. I see one here, here. So the front bumper hardly but removed. So far there is the internal damage is here, some of the trim work. I guess here something is missing, here some more stuff. Also the headlights are stuck, but we removed it. Just to make sure, we are also removing the headlights as well. After you pull this off and you have to plug off the cable, just pull it out. Pull it out, bro.
Just the cable, just it.
I now plugged off the cable of the headlight, but I think the headlight is stuck we are trying to figure out how to pull this off. I think we will just remove from the bolts from the holder of the headlight, which is going to be the easiest way. Çıkart, asılt. Okay. So the damages so far here more serious. This is broken. This is broken, as you can see. This thing is hit. I think this can be fixed as well, but we will ask to count it like to replace it. Here is the other damage. This thing is broken, but I'm not really sure how it's going to be replaced. This is unrepairable. Most probably this top part is going to be changed, maybe. I have no idea really. Oh, that's frustrating. So far here's okay. There is no damage here. There is just the rust. Okay, good. I think we are pretty much ready. So far it's a productive evening and we disassembled everything we needed, and we will try to clean it a little and see the last picture. So we are done. I've taken some photos just to make sure that everything is alright, and the car is ready for the inspection, insurance company. So we will just head home, and tomorrow the inspection day, and eventually Anil will be paid in 2 weeks. We will start searching for the parts. After he got paid, we will buy the parts and we will try to replace them with our instruments. Hopefully we will save some money. Please hit the button, subscribe for more videos of repairing this Audi Q7. Stay tuned.